Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to record scenes separately in OBS Studio. First open your browser and search for Source Record OBS. Then open the website and download the installer. If you are using a Mac, you can download the Mac version too. Once it's downloaded, install it and open OBS Studio. As you can see, I already have two scenes created. To record scenes separately, right click on the scene and click filters. Then add the source record filter. For the record mode, I will select stream and record. This means whenever you start streaming or recording, that scene will be recorded separately as well. You can also need to enter a file name for the output. After that, close the window. Now do the same thing for your other scenes. I have two scenes ready, so I will add a color source to one of the scenes. Then I will start recording. After a few seconds, I will stop the recording and open the video folder on my PC. Now you can see that I have two separate output videos along with the default OBS recording. I hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.